Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. So I'm here with this unit from Hairvivi, this very versatile unit, and it came like this. It also had the fake scalp method that everybody's doing and the attachable band. I really love that about this new wig style. I went ahead to just pick it just a little bit and then proceeded to apply it. I put on my fake wig scalp because I just don't want my edges to be affected. I noticed that wearing wigs for a while, you start having your edges being plucked out. So I like to do the cap method, and I like to bring it way down, way away from my edges, because anyway, food break guys, though I can't come and kill myself. But yeah, I use got to be glue, and I also use ghost bond at the edges, and I'm just laying that down and applying it flatly as much as I can, basically. So I'm just going to use a tail comb just to lay that down and press it down. You don't want to use your fingers because the oils will transfer onto the glue and it won't just stick as much. I'm always like really careful with this ear flaps, or what would you call it, this sideburn part, because that's always my tough part. So I'm just using this wrap, this hair wrap, just to lay down the edges furthermore, just so the glue stays and it doesn't lift after a while. I'm going ahead to spray some heat protectant spray. I'll leave that down in the link below in my description box. I'm preparing my hair for some straightening iron. I don't really plan to straighten it like bone straight because I know the final style I'm going for, so I just wanted to straighten it for you guys to see. That's why I did this rough method, not going line by line. But yeah, you get the point, don't you? Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know it's running outside. You can call me in the morning. I took a bail in the night.
I also went in with my straightening comb, my hot comb, just to flatten it a little bit, especially at the part side. My head is really big, so it's always it's always good to have extra. Oh my god, it's always good to have extra help. I'm not even going to check what just fell, but yeah, I'm just flat ironing it.
Yawning. I see the looking in your eyes. Deep down I know you're mourning. I took a pill up in the night.
After that's done, I took off the wrap, and then I'm going ahead to just part it and just see what I intend to do with this style. Like I said, it's such a versatile wig, so you can style it any type of way. So here I was just, trying out things, trying to see where I was headed to, and just, yeah, enjoy that part.
2 sips in the morning. Never need the call. I got your back. Never need the call. You got a friend like me.
Yeah, I decided on a middle part, although now that I'm watching it, I wish I did a side part, but I did do a side part, which I'll show you guys later on at the end when you see the different styles coming together. I'm just laying down the middle parts just so it stays like down there and it doesn't move or have flyaways. So yeah, that's what I'm just trying to do. I'm going ahead to just section out the part I want to use for my edges. That's for my baby hair. So I'm just, using my rat tail comb and taking out the front bits, just the very tiny bits, like we all know. I didn't want too much. And then I went ahead to just cut it with some scissors and get to styling.
Yeah. Never need the call. I got your back. Never need the call. You got a friend like me. Yeah. When there's nobody left to call, I know you're fiending. When there's nobody.
Now to style my edges, I'm just using our good old got to be glue. That's the yellow one in the yellow tube, and I'm just using like a toothbrush. I mean, it's not for my tooth, but yeah, as a hairbrush, and this is just going to help lay down my edges flat.
Left it all. God damn it, it's a demon. When there's nobody left to call, I know you're fiending.
Now, after laying down my edges, it magically just, transformed me into a body. And there was I, just like that. Immediately you lay your edges, you see yourself, you transform into a nice dress, nice makeup. Just try it and let me know how that goes for you. So yeah, this is the first style, and it's just like a regular middle part. I would actually go for a side part because yeah, but yeah, this was it. It was still nice, still, on fly and shit. But yeah, that was it for the first style.
Yo, turn me up. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So yes, a girl was looking, all fly and shit, but that wasn't it. So this package also came with like some attachments. I have these bags. They came in two sizes. One size was like a thin size, a thin layer, which is what I'm using, and the other bang size was like the full on, throwback Nicki Minaj days, the full on bangs. And I actually really really like this innovation or this skill because it's just so easy and it applies really easily. It has the clip-ins at the end, so you just attach it to both sides of the hair. Both sides you can find to attach to, and that's it. I went ahead to just straighten it a little bit and just bump it and to see how that goes.
I'm in my zone. I'm in my zone. Get out the way. Get out the way. I got the ice. I got the ice. I need the cake. I need the cake. Still on the road. Still on the road. Making a play. Making a play. Can't see the hate. Can't see the hate. Smoking my face. Smoking my face. Smoking my face. Hollywood, Nollywood, Bollywood. Most these niggas acting. Found blood.
So yeah, this was it for the second hairstyle, just with the bangs, and I think it's a really really nice way to switch up your wigs. Like, people would think you have a new wig, they won't know it's the same wig you've been wearing for like a month or two, and you're just adding attachments. So I think that's a really good addition to this unit. So I proceeded to just put the hair in a bun just to see what it would look like if I, looked like the bad guy. They painted me out to be the bad guy, but it's the last time you're gonna see a bad guy slay your hair like this. So yes, this hair had me feeling like I was a Chun-Li character or something.
Hold on, the gang shit.
I actually really liked it. I did go ahead to just be extra, and I kind of, maybe, sort of, maybe did put in a straw in the bun just to see what it would look like if I actually had chopsticks. Bear with me, guys. This is what happens. At the end, I'm also going to show you guys the side part and all of that. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell like button down below so you can have notifications every time I post a video. I will leave all the Hairvivi links down below so you can check them out if you want to. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I went and cut the chopsticks. Put it in my bun just to pop shit. Hey, I'm always in the top. Back seats, please.
Thanks on the beat.